Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Cooking with Efya. If today is your first time here, you are especially welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to cook with me. Today we are making one of Ghana's most loved soups, authentic Ghana pork lye soup. This soup is spicy, flavorful, and very comforting. You can enjoy it with fufu, rice, banku, or even just drink it warm on a rainy day. You will love it. I'm going to show you every single step. So relax and let's start cooking. For authentic Ghana pork lye soup, we use fresh natural ingredients. So I have some fresh garden eggs, one medium-sized onion. Next, I'll add some carrots, pepper. Moving forward, I also go in with some tomatoes. I'll go in with enough water, just enough to help them soften very well. Allow them to boil until the tomatoes are soft. The garden eggs are very tender and everything looks cooked through. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so here I have my nicely cleaned pork. I'm going to transfer everything into my cooking pot. Now all that is left is for us to season pork very well. So I have some blended onions, garlic, ginger. I also go in with some tomato paste and some aromat or spice blend seasoning powder. Next, I'll go in with a little salt to taste. Add enough water. You can also allow it to cook in its own juices until everything is nice and juicy, but we'll go in with enough water and allow it to do its own thing. All right, so we are back to check on the vegetables, and you can already smell that beautiful aroma forming. It's looking absolutely perfect. All the vegetables are looking very soft and perfect right now. So now we can blend the boiled vegetables until everything is nice and smooth. If you prefer a slightly rough texture, do not over blend. It's very important. So we are back to check on the soup and it's doing all good. It's looking super juicy and that's what I'm looking for. So now let's give it a quick stir. And from there we're going to cover it again for about 10 to 15 minutes for the base or for the proteins to also cook very well. So let's cover it and allow it to do its own thing, and we are back after 10 minutes and wow, this looks super juicy. So once blended, I'll pour it into the cooked pork. At this stage your pork should be very tender. Now add enough water to achieve your light soup consistency. Remember, light soup is not too thick. It is not watery like plain water. It should be light but slightly rich. Now stir everything together very nicely and now taste your soup. Adjust salt, pepper, seasoning cube if needed. Now I'm adding in some okra. It is totally optional, but trust me, for authentic Ghana light soup, you really need to add in okra. You can also add some basil leaves, akokomesa or percase, which is totally optional. Allow it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes so all the flavors blend together beautifully. You will see the oil from the pork slightly floating on top, just the way you see it on your screens right now, and that's when you know it's almost ready. The aroma at this stage, trust me, is unbelievable. It smells really amazing. We're going to give it a quick stir, allow it to cook for extra 10 to 15 minutes so the soup can thicken up a little bit and also have that perfect taste we are looking for. At this point, don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much. And just like that, our Ghana pork lye soup is ready. Look at that beautiful color. Look at that rich oil on top. The pork is soft and juicy. Now we're going to serve it with our soft fufu. You can also enjoy it with white rice or even yam. You will love it. So all you have to do is to trust the process. From Ghana's kitchen, warm and sweet, every dish a joyful treat. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to Cooking with Efya. Let me know in the comment section, do you prefer pork like soup with fufu or rice? And until next time, keep cooking with love and see you in my next upload. Bye.